Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to consider about the function in here. So I will put about negative x go in here and here. So that should be like this. So because this is about the power number 2, this is about even power, so we can cancel the negative sign in here. This one we have the absolute values, so you can cancel the negative sign in here because you got the positive number. So we can say that this one equals to this one. So we can say that is about even function. So because this is about the even function, so and the bound is about symmetric. So this one that should be about number 2, and we have the integration from 0 to positive infinity. So we need to find the value of this one. So we know that from 0 to positive infinity, this one they always positive number, so we can cancel the absolute value. Now for this one we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Then we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have 2x dx dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have v equals to negative e to the power of negative s. So we keep the same number 2 in here. So we have u multiplied by v. And then we put the bounds from 0 to positive infinity. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so negative and negative, we have positive, and now we have number 2, and then we have the integration from 0 to positive infinity. So in this situation, I will know that when s approaches to positive infinity, this one that is about 1 over e to the power of s. So we need to find the limit of this one. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So that is about positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and the denominator. And this one we have 2s. This one we have e to the power of s. Later that we see that this one still about positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital in here. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one that is about number 2. This one that is about e to the power of s. When s approaches to positive infinity, we just only this one go to positive infinity. Number 2 divided by this one. So we have number 0. That means when we put this one go in here, you got number 0. Number 0, we put this one go in here, you got number 0. That means this one equals to number 0 in here. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. So in this one, we can use about integration by parts. This one I change for s. And now we have the s. So we have u multiplied by v. And we have the bounds from 0 to positive infinity. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, negative and negative, we have positive. So we have the integration from 0 to positive infinity. So in this one we do the same, and this one you got number 0 in here. So the integration of this one, that is about negative number 4 e to the power of negative s, and we put the bounds from 0 to positive infinity. So when we put s approach to positive infinity, this one you got number 0. If we put this one gone here, we have the negative sign here. Negative and negative, we have positive. This one we have number 1, and we got number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.